Do you want to learn how to take advantage of this current crazy meme coin market? 2024 is going absolutely crazy. These meme coins are up thousands of percent in a super short amount of time, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can use one of the latest and fastest Telegram bots to actually get into these meme coins and trade super fast. Make sure that you smash the like, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the notification bell. The Telegram trading bot that I'm going to be using here is PepeBoost. Here we are on their X account where you can actually come and find their Telegram DeFi bot designed by data scientists. Here we have the direct link to their PepeBoost swap bot and also their Solana bot. So we can see right here, we have the PepeBoost swap, PepeBoost trade speedy, trade smart, trade simple, or you can open this up in Telegram, which we'll do in just a second, and also the PepeBoost Sol bot, where you can simply just send a contract address and start trading tokens. Simply just copy the contract address over here like you can do right here. Address has been copied and you'd simply be able to trade. So let's actually begin right now and open up the PepeBoost Sol bot in Telegram. And don't forget to use the link in this video description and comment section for PepeBoost, where you get a massive increase in rewards and a big decrease in trading fees. So let's begin. Extremely fast Solana trading bot. Support snipe, limit orders, and pump fund tokens trading. Connect your wallets and contract address to actually begin trading. Have all their links. Here you can even directly connect with their support team if you had any specific questions. Here we'll click on start and begin. See, we have our actual wallet address. Let's actually import a wallet, or we could generate one. So let's actually generate a wallet now. So we can see our wallet has been generated. So we'd easily and simply be able to copy this address and actually send over some Solana right here. You can see we simply have buys and sells. We can track all of our assets. We can go through all the settings and even set up some limit orders. We can even invite our friends. They get a discount. Trading fees. We can also access our wallet, change the language. We have some help. Here you can even switch bots to actually make sure you're using the one that's potentially has the best ping for you, closest to your country, and they even have an Ethereum bot. Here we can just go over the buy and sell. So we click buy and sell. We can see, please enter the contract address. And right here, we've already copied the contract address like I showed you before. And right here, all the information will pop up. So we can see right here, the actual whip, and it's from pump. So we'd be able to track our wallet balance right here, and also how much we're actually holding in this current token. We can see the current market cap, 14,000, the price, PepeBoost buys. You can see 90 buys, overall renounce, tick, LP has been burnt, tick, freeze, revoke has been ticked, and the top 10% of holders actually own 60% of tokens. So right here, and really easily, straight within PepeBoost, the Solana bot, it actually gives you all the information to ensure the overall security of the contract. You can see trading has been open. It was created just 57 minutes ago, and you can see the overall liquidity, 42 Solana, being 0.83%. Here we have all their links. You can see there's no Twitter, but there's a Telegram. You even open it up on Dex Screener, Bird's Eye, Dex Tools, and even Pump.fund. So it makes it really easy. All of the big information, all the security aspects is right here, linked really simply and easily for you to be able to view. Here we can actually refresh to see what's the current market cap right now, because the market cap would be changing. So we see currently has increased. We'd easily be able to come into our position and enter for a certain amount of SOL, so 0.1, 0.5, all the way up to 5. Plus you'd be able to actually change these settings. So you can set your own amount of Solana, or even just come in and buy X amount. And here, selling, really, really easy. You can just simply click sell. If you really wanted to quickly sell 50%, you can set up automatic sells. You can even set up limit orders. And here you can even, once you've actually profited, generate that P&L chart. So really easy, selling percentage, buying in, and really, really easy using PepeBoost. Next, we can go over some of the settings. So once I clicked on settings, it shows currently my address, turbo slippage, anti-MEV slippage, pump, make, moon slippage right here, 20%. So you can actually set and actually change all of your slippages. You can change the slippage here and even set your buy priority. So right now it's actually quite low in Solana. Might want to actually increase. Usually I change this to an 8 or actually change this to a 1. It does over increase the price of the transaction, but then it does increase the speed. So overall, do usually change these sell priorities and buy priorities. You can even see dev, snipe, sell priority fee, and also make, fund, moon priority fee. So you can come in here and actually ensure your priority fees and your slippages. Plus, you can even change these buy amounts. You can see right here 0.11, and you can actually change corresponding number to replace your buy amounts. Maybe you actually like to trade more Solana or less Solana. So again, you can just customize it to your particular taste. And really easily, we could set up some limit orders on some particular tokens. So you can add limit orders based on specific prices or percentage changes. The bot will automatically trigger buy or sell actions, facilitating take profits and also stop losses. So that's absolutely fantastic. Once you're in a coin and you've done all the perfect technical analysis, you come over and actually decided, okay, once you've actually decided, okay, these are the types of sell zones, you can see in here, we had a support to resistance flip. We actually use this, and okay, or once we make it to the $200,000 zone or $250,000 market cap zone, you can actually begin selling. So it makes it really, really easy. And if you can set limit orders in the market, obviously once price reaches there, it automatically sells for you, because clearly in meme coins, price moves extremely, extremely quickly. So if you have the opportunity to get out using a limit order, that's definitely to your advantage. As price actually peaks through, you get automatically exited rather than having to wait with your finger over the trigger to actually exit out of your position. So really, really cool, really, really fantastic. You can even check all your existing orders. You can add more limit orders. So great right there. And don't forget to use the link in this video description and comment section for PepeBoost, where you get a massive increase in rewards and a big decrease in trading fees. And one thing I wanted to reiterate is that pump fund token transactions have many small features. They're actually supporting sniping, dev selling, radium selling. As I've shown you in the video, there's so many different aspects that you can utilize from PepeBoost to actually take advantage of this meme coin bull market of 2024. Now that we've gone well through the Solana bot, showing you exactly how to get in and out of coins, how to use their limit order section, now we can come over to their PepeBoost swaps. We'll open this up right here on Telegram, and let's come over and have a look. So what can this do? PepeBoost, trade speedy, trade smart, trade simple. Let's actually begin right here. So we begin clicking start. We can see right here, we have our balance in Ethereum. So right here, we have the exact same concept, but now we're trading in Ethereum. So we can easily now buy in and out on the base chain, obviously being one of the biggest meme coin chains as well. Solana being number one. Base is definitely up there as well. So depending on the particular tokens that you want to trade, you could come over here and actually begin trading. Again, generate a wallet, and then we could begin buying and selling here. Buy, sell, copy trading, limit orders, assets. So we could even set up copy trading right here to begin copy trading some particular wallets. I've shown you in many previous videos how you can actually find wallets to copy trade. And here you just come over and click copy trading to begin. Actually add the target wallet, and you'd be able to begin copy trading this target. And there we have it for PepeBoost, one of the fastest Telegram trading bots out right now. Make sure to use the link in this video description and comment section to get a big increase in rewards and a big decrease in trading fees. Don't forget, if you want to learn even more about crypto trading and meme coin trading, make sure to check out my meme coin mastery and even my advanced technical analysis masterclass. Here in my meme coin mastery, you learn from start to finish exactly how to trade these meme coins, all the different Telegram bots that I use, all the different programs, all of my technical analysis, everything you need to know to become a meme coin master. Make sure to check it out now, because the price is going to be increasing very soon. If you've enjoyed today's video, make sure to smash the like, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the notification bell to stay up to date with all of the latest YouTube videos, and I'll see you in the next video.